Everyone wants to save the required corpus for the goal ahead of time. For this, you need a proper financial plan and investment discipline. At the same time, you need to protect your family's financial security with a life insurance cover. As the name suggests, will ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan will be a pro in the investment arena. To find out, let's first analyze the ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan. Then let's proceed to review the internal rate of return section. This will ultimately guide you to make those wise investment decisions. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. The main features are flexibility in selecting the duration of guaranteed income as per your needs. Guaranteed income either remains constant throughout the income duration or increases every year. The percentage of money back benefit can be chosen as per requirement. Option to withdraw future benefits in advance by converting into a lump sum amount. Next, we are moving into the benefit section. Death benefit. Death benefit is the highest of sum assured on death or 105% of total premiums paid, or the death benefit factor formula. In case of death of life assured during the income period, the nominee will continue to receive the guaranteed income and money back benefit, or he has the option to receive it as a lump sum amount. Income benefit. It starts after the end of premium paying term. It could be the same level throughout or increases every year. The income benefit depends on the money back benefit percentage. Next, money back benefit. The percentage of money back could be any number between 0 to 100%. It is multiplied by the sum of total annualized premium paid. You have the option to receive it either on maturity or at the end of the policy year within the income period. Inference from these benefits. Generally, in money back policies, you receive income benefit or survival benefit as a percentage of sum assured at regular intervals. The last installment of income or survival benefit is paid at maturity. In some cases, the bonus or loyalty additions are payable along with the last payment. Here in ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan, the income benefit is not based on the sum assured or the premium paid by you. Rather, it depends on the money back benefit percentage that you choose. The money back benefit can be taken at maturity or in between any year during the income period. If you choose higher percentage for money back benefit, then the income benefit amount decreases. Although they give you the flexibility in choosing the income benefit period, they also it plays a major role in calculating the income benefit amount that you receive. If you choose a lower money back percentage and limit your income benefit period, the higher will be the income benefit amount. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan. Advantages. Flexibility to receive income on any preferred dates with the save the date option being an inbuilt feature. Flexibility to receive all the future benefits as a lump sum benefit at a discounted value. Under the low cover income booster option, you will be able to enjoy additional income by opting for a lower life cover. Once the policy acquires surrender value, you can avail loan up to 80% of surrender value. Next, disadvantages. Though you have the flexibility in choosing various options related to income benefit and money back benefits, those options once chosen at the inception of policy cannot be changed. Life cover is not extended during the income period. The income benefit affects your money back benefit. You need to trade off between these two. ICICI Pru Gift Pro allows you to design your income benefit and money back benefit. Adding to that, all the benefits are guaranteed. So you may be lured by these features, but we need to look in detail to check whether this plan is beneficial for you. This can be done by figuring out the internal rate of return of ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan. A quote was taken from ICICI portal. Now let's calculate the IRR. A 35-year-old male opts for ICICI Gift Pro plan. He selects 15 years of income benefit and 100% money back at maturity. The sum assured is 10.7 lakhs. The premium paying term is 12 years and the annualized premium is rupees 1 lakh. The income benefit starts at the end of 15th policy year. The income increases every year by 5% simple interest. The initial income benefit is 1.23 lakhs and it increases every year by 5% per annum simple interest. The money back benefit of rupees 12,36,000 is payable along with the last income benefit. The IRR for this cash flow is 6.17%. The IRR is somewhat closer to the inflation rate. Those who need guaranteed returns may want to settle with this rate, but look at the total investment period, which is 30 years. For such a long period, the investment return should outpace the inflation rate. The IRR of around 6% shows that you are losing the purchasing power of your money. Let us make an analogy between ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan and other investment product. For this, we need to look for an insurance coverage and income benefit and money back benefit as well. All three aspects need to be covered under the same annual premium of rupees 1 lakh. A pure term life insurance policy for a sum assured of rupees 10.5 lakhs would cost rupees 7,000 per annum. The premium paying term is 10 years. But in the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is 12 years. This means that in the first 10 years, after paying the life insurance premium, the balance is invested. In the next 2 years, the full amount is available for investment. You can choose either PPF investment or ELSS investment as per your risk appetite. The corpus accumulated in the initial years is utilized for income benefit during the income period. PPF account matures after 15 years with a minimum subscription of rupees 500 in each financial year. Since the premium paying term is 12 years under ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan illustration, adjustments are made in the last 3 years. The final maturity value is 22.20 lakhs. ELSS after 15 years, while redeeming the units, the capital gains tax arises. This tax amount needs to be set aside from the proceeds. The post-tax final maturity value is 33.22 lakhs. The accumulated corpus under PPF or ELSS instrument is invested in a 7% return instrument. For annual income benefit withdrawal, the same amount under ICICI Pru Gift Pro is assumed here as well. The investment is fully withdrawn at the end of the policy term to match the money back benefit under ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan. The IRR for the pure term life insurance premium plus PPF combo is 6.70%. The IRR for pure term life insurance premium plus ELSS combo is 8.82%. The corpus accumulated under these investment strategies can be utilized as per your wish. In the rising rate scenario, you can shift your investment or you can utilize it for any other goal. Under ICICI Gift Pro plan, the funds get locked and you are compelled to settle with income benefit. We have reached the end part of our analysis. Final verdict on ICICI Pru Gift Pro plan. This plan offers customization in terms of income benefit and money back benefit. This plan offers flexibility in choosing the premium amount, premium paying term, income period, policy term, guaranteed income option, percentage and year of money back benefits. Sometimes these many choices confuse investors. This may result in the wrong choice. Other than the customization, this is another version of money back policy. You pay the premium in the initial years and receive the benefit in the form of regular income. This is the basic skeletal of ICICI Gift Pro plan. You need to trade off between the regular income and lump sum benefit. So we conclude that ICICI Gift Pro plan will not be suitable for your investment basket. Having a precise understanding of your personal traits and investment objectives will be more beneficial. Build a diversified investment basket based on your risk profile and life goals. Also, along with that, have adequate life cover by opting for a pure term life insurance policy. If you need to be a pro investor, you can consult a finance professional. He will customize a financial plan for you. A detailed review of ICICI Gift Pro plan is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.